Managing the life cycle of cell tower infrastructure can be a very manual process with a variety of systems and an increasing number of stakeholders. With Open Tower IQ, the entire tower lifecycle can be automated, reducing costs, all while increasing data accuracy and visibility. Let's see how. The process starts by creating a reality model, or an as-built model, through a combination of user-supplied legacy data, drone capture, and photogrammetry. With this data, Open Tower IQ creates a 3D meshed model, providing this immersive graphical experience you see in front of you. Open Tower IQ supports most image capture methodologies and is not limited in scale or precision of imagery. As you can see here, the detail of the tower and surrounding area can be viewed and inspected just like if you were on site. Now that we have the as-built model, it is important to see how the tower was originally designed. For this, we can import a design model from a variety of source files, including DWG, PDF, or even Excel. Being shown here is Bentley's own tower structural analysis and design software, Open Tower Designer. So we will export this XML file and import to Open Tower IQ. Now that we have all the necessary data visualized and available, we can conduct all necessary inspection analysis and planning within Open Tower IQ. For this scenario, we are looking to perform co-location analysis for a 5G rollout project. So we will start by validating the installed tower equipment on our as-built model. Through artificial intelligence and machine learning, all equipment including panels, antennas, radios, and microwave dishes are detected. Equipment details including azimuth, tilt, height, depth, latitude, and longitude are accessible and able to be exported as needed. If manufacturer is not known, Open Tower IQ matches with possible equipment specifications, creating a realistic catalog of installed equipment. Now we can overlay and compare both as designed and as built models. As you can see, there are a few differences in the two models. One of the main differences looks to be the bearing angle. Within Open Tower IQ, we can measure the angle discrepancy with just a few clicks. Within the system, we can also flag this issue and notify other key team members. Our inspection has identified another issue. The equipment in this design model has different specs than the one that exists on the tower. We will go in and edit the size of the equipment within the design model to reflect reality more accurately. This new version of the design model can be saved, and all edited versions are accessible to ensure proper change management. Now that the as-built and as-designed models are in alignment, we can analyze the capacity of each mount. A quick analysis shows that these mounts are at 57% capacity, telling us that we have adequate capacity for the new C-band equipment we are looking to add. Let's go ahead and add the new inventory. Open Tower IQ allows us to easily edit equipment. We will simply search the available catalog by manufacturer and model number, and then specify equipment location. We have now added 3 new antennas and can now edit all necessary parameters to ensure proper alignment and positioning. From there, we can visually inspect the updates and even compare the updated design version with previous model versions. With the newly added equipment, we again run mount analysis. A detailed report can be automatically created for documentation. Our analysis now shows our updated load capacity of 78%, still within the proper limitations. One last check to ensure proper alignment between our as-built and updated as-designed models before we create the necessary engineering documents. Using Open Tower IQ's built-in drawing generation tools, all required documents in a pre-construction document package can be created. All files are saved in the multi-tenanted database and shared with approved internal and external stakeholders. Once changes are approved and implemented, the life cycle continues, and change validation can happen right back within Open Tower IQ. We hope this walkthrough helps show how Open Tower IQ can automate many of the manual tasks associated with maintaining tower infrastructure. If you would like to learn more, please request an in-depth demo or quote at opentower.com.